Hi, welcome to onlyBBguns video channel review. Today we're going to be looking at the MR777. As you can see, you get the gun, optic scope, barrel extension, high cap mag, pistol grip, semi-decent glasses and a torch. Let's get it out of the box and have a look. So, here we go with the SIG. Now, this is a spring action rifle. You've got your charging handle on the side here. We'll come to that in a second. First things first, you've got your barrel extension, which simply just pushes in the front there. That's your barrel extension, just your standard 24 stack mag, which is basically just pour in there. The bottom will stay in. Once it's in, there's a little button on top. As it goes into the gun, it will release it and push the BBs into the chamber. So that's that thing in there first. Front pistol grip just slides on the front. Would help if I put it on right, but there we go. Okay, so you've got your grip there at the front. Does come with optics. Does come with a scope that can go on the front, and it does have a digital crosshair on it by turning the top there. Don't know if you can see the inside of the light there, but it does put a crosshair on the scope. Can be mounted on the top, side, wherever you like on the gun. It does also come with a torch that can be mounted on top or side of the gun. The choice is yours. Now, also it comes with basic sling and safety glasses. Now, this gun is modelled on the SIG 555. It's great. It is a great gun for beginners. As I said, it's a spring action, so your charging handle, which is here, is just simply pull back, aim, and shoot. Now, this gun is very versatile, great for back garden fun, ideal for beginners. I would recommend this for people if they just want to have a bit of fun. Great for birthday presents as well. The build quality, I would say, pretty rugged, solid. Yes, it is all plastic, but it's very good plastic. As I said, it's a solid build, works fine. Recommend. You can find it on our site, onlyBBguns.co.uk. Thanks for watching.